Hey there, my name's Tatyana, and I have had a great privilege to be able to work with Tohidul to be able to make two of my websites. Actually, I made one for myself, my personal business, and one for my son's business. And there were a lot of changes and revisions that needed to be done. But what I love about Tohidul most of all is that he was very patient with me with all the changes, and every time I changed my mind, the revisions that needed to be changed, I was able to give him an idea of what I wanted, and he was able to put that together for me, which was just, all I can say is he's really easy to work with. He's really patient. He is consistently responsive, and he reminds me of the things that I have to do so that he can get his work done. I found him to be a pleasure to work with. I will definitely use him again if I need another website in the future, which I definitely see that to be the case. I highly encourage for you to give him a chance.